How to make ringtone for iPhone with Garageband. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Garageband application on your device, and once opened, you will see the plus icon there. Tap on that, and in the interface that you will be led to, you will see various tools there. Tap on the audio recorder option, and now in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and further toggle off the toggle button for count in and visual count in. Once done, tap on the loop icon you see there and then go ahead and select the automatic option. Further, go ahead and toggle off the blue button you see there, and now tap on the brick-like image you see there on the top left of your screen and then tap on the loop icon there and further select the image from the Files tab. Make sure that you have already downloaded the MP3 that you want to save as ringtone. So go ahead and drag the folder to the drag bar you see there and further make any required changes. Once done, tap on the arrow icon on the top left of your screen and then tap on the My Songs option. You will then see the file that you just imported. So tap hold on the file and a pop-up will appear. Tap on the share option you see there, and here in the interface that you will be led to, you will see the ringtone option. Tap on the ringtone option, and as you can see, the ringtone has been exported successfully. You can now tap on the use sound as option and then choose if you want the ringtone as standard ringtone or standard text tone, or if you want to assign it to any contact. Once done, tap on OK, and now go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Further, tap on sounds and haptics and then tap on the ringtone option. Here, as you can see, my ringtone has been set to my song instead of Apple's default ringtones. So, this is how you can make ringtone for iPhone with GarageBand. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.